In this tutorial, we will explain how to start using Cloudlab. First, we will register on WePermedia. To do this, go to www.wepermedia.com and complete the registration form. Once on WePermedia, we will see 4 panels on the left side. The first is the dashboard, where you will find your active Cloudlab platforms and your active Azure Match Analysis licenses. The second is the Cloudlab panel, which is the menu we will focus on in this tutorial. If we click on it, we will find 3 menus: Information, My Platforms, and Pricing. In the first menu, Info, we will find the main features of Cloudlab and a button with the option to Create Cloudlab. The next menu is My Platforms, where we will find the active Cloudlab platforms we have, both those we have created and those we have been invited to. In this menu, we will also have the option to create our Cloudlab platform. Finally, we will find the Pricing menu. Here we will see the 3 Cloudlab plans: Learning Plan, Scouting Plan, and Premium Plan. You can see the details of each plan in the tutorial called Cloudlab Plan Types. Once we decide on the plan that best suits our needs, we will click on Configure according to the chosen plan. Next, a window will open with 3 steps. In the first step, Settings, we can select the number of users we want our Cloudlab platform to have. Then we will choose the storage capacity we want for our platform. Based on the selected characteristics, the system will automatically show the price of your platform. If you need more users or storage, you can contact us through any of our communication channels for a personalized solution. Once the configuration of our platform is completed, we will click the Continue button at the bottom. Next, we move to the customization step. First, we will enter the name we want to assign to our platform. Then we can give a name to the subdomain, which will appear in the platform's URL. Finally, we will select the time zone in which we want our platform to operate. This step is important to choose correctly, because if activities are created, the platform will follow the selected time zone for sending reminders and starting activities. Once these adjustments are made, we will click Continue at the bottom. This takes us to the last step, where we will see a summary of our configuration. If it is correct, we will click Finish. It is important to remember that if this is the first time you are creating a platform, you will have the option to create a free Cloudlab platform for 5 days. By clicking Finish, we will be directed to the payment platform, where a summary of the selected platform and its cost will appear. At this point, we can enter a promotional code if we have one. We will add the payment details on the right side and click Pay and Subscribe. Once the payment is completed, we will go to the main menu section of WePermedia. In the Cloudlab menu, we will go to the My Platforms section, where we will find the platform we just created. By clicking on it, we will start enjoying all its features. You can explore all the usage possibilities and configuration options in the different tutorials. Follow us for more content and to stay up to date with all the news about Cloudlab, the most comprehensive platform on the market for sports analysis.